Welcome students of standard 7th. Today we are going to proceed with the next chapter number 12, the muscular system. What are we going to study in this chapter? Before we start, we should know, first of all, we should understand the title of the chapter. The title says the headers, the muscular and the digestive system. We know our body is standing erect. We are standing erect because of a support system in our body, and that support system is the muscles, not muscles, the bones which make you stand erect. Because of the bony structure, you are the skeletal system. Because of the skeletal system into your body, you are standing erect. But if the skeleton system needs to be covered, if it is not covered, you will not look beautiful as you are looking right now. So let us study about the muscular system. The chapter is divided into two parts, the muscular system and the digestive system. So what is muscles? Muscles are nothing, the fleshy part of bones. As I have told you, our bones are covered with a flesh, and that flesh part is called as muscles. You know, your muscles need to be strong and supportive, then only your skeletal system stands erect. Second part, what does muscles do? What is the function? Why muscles do we require? We require muscles for the contraction and relaxation. Now suppose I want to lift an object, or I want to do a long jump. I want to jump over a hurdle. So what is the use of my muscles? Muscles will relax. They will go farther more. Contract. Now if there is less space. Now if some family, there is a party or some guests have arrived unwantedly. Now they have to stay back. You know, due to this pandemic, we have unwanted guests at home. They came to meet us and they had to stay back because trains were not working. Modes of transports were shut. So there is a problem. So we need to contract. Space problem. While sleeping, you don't have enough space. So what you do? You try to sleep in a smaller place and then you contract. Similarly, your wrist. Okay. Now relax, contract. Relax, contract. This is only because of the muscles which I have in my body. Third one, what are muscles? They are nothing but they are bundle of fibers. So this is what we are going to learn. Next part, how does they move? How does the muscles move? The muscles are moving with the help of tendons. They are attached with each other. They are attached to the bones. Muscles are attached. There should be some connection. You just can't keep your muscles over your bones. There have to be some attachment. If there is no attachment, they cannot move farther or later behind. Means they cannot have, or else it will be like two pages, one flying on the other side, one flying on the one side. So they have to be attached to they are attached to the bones with the help of tendons. See children, I am not taking a regular reading. Maybe once I meet you, I may take. So this is what the gist of the chapter, that I am explaining the chapter, but I expect you to read the chapter at home. Third part, action of muscles. Now what is this action of muscles? Action of muscles means the movement of muscles. The movement of muscles is caused due to contraction and relaxation. So that is called as action of muscles, like walking, jumping, throwing. Anything you want to do, any movement you want to do, you need your muscles support. Third one, muscles grow. Now when you were young, your skeleton system was small and tiny, but as you are growing, your muscles are also growing. So it will grow as we grow in height and as we grow physically. There are nearly 600 muscles present in a human body. Approximately about, this is not the exact figure, it's just a tentative figure. Nearly 600 muscles are present in human body. Now let us come to the sixth part of the chapter, types of muscles. I have written, see, if you will check out, I have written here also types and I have written here also types. So depending on the work they do, there are two types of muscles, that is types depending on the function, whether it is voluntary or involuntary. As you are very well versed with the word voluntary. Voluntary means when you want to work on, up to your wish, under your control. Example, when you want to lift your hand, so it is voluntary. Now you cannot tell your heart, today you don't beat. No, again that is involuntary because it is working on its own. So depending upon the types of function, there are two types of muscles, voluntary and involuntary. Let us proceed further, as I have told you, depending upon the types of structure. So this was on the function, this is the structure. Where is it present? So there are three main types: skeletal, cardiac and smooth. Cardiac is also called as heart. So skeletal, cardiac and smooth. Where are these skeletal muscles present? In the arms and legs. They are attached to the skeletal system. Cardiac, near the heart. The word itself is showing where the position where it is present. So skeletal, near the skeletal system, cardiac, near and around the heart muscles, and smooth muscles. They are the muscles which are present in the internal vital organs, like inside the stomach, liver. These all are, you are able, now when you inhale and exhale your air, you are able to contract and relax. So there are smooth muscles. So these are the different types of muscles present. I have told you about the movement of muscles, type of muscles. Now how do we take care of the muscles? Muscles should be strong and efficient. If they are not strong, you are not able to perform your daily task. So what is it important? It is important to include carbohydrates and proteins into your diet. Carbohydrates and proteins, they help to grow your muscles faster. You know children, nowadays there is a lot of hype of making biceps and triceps. So what these people do? They intake extra proteins to give a proper shape to the body. Let's move further. Muscles, the study of muscles. Now if you pursue that you want to do your study, for example, if you want to pursue a study in old things, ancient things, okay, that is called as archaeology. If you want to study about how to construct buildings, so that is engineering. Similarly, if you are more interested in studying about the muscles, that is called as myology. myology. Now the smallest muscle is attached to staples. Staples is a bone, it is present over there, and thigh muscles is the largest muscle. The thigh muscles, it starts from the starting part and it ends near the toe, ankle. So thigh muscles is the largest muscle and the smallest muscle is attached to the staple. Now what is a staple? Near the ear. Near your ear there is a bone, there is a muscle, it is called as a staple. Okay, so this is what today I have completed with muscular system. In my next video I will be completing with the digestive system. Okay, happy holidays, stay safe, enjoy your Christmas, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you, bye bye.